Hello and welcome students in my new video. This is the second part of the chapter Winds, Storms and Cyclones. Our today's topic is monsoon winds. You must have listened about the sea breeze and land breeze. Both phenomena are related to the monsoon winds. There are two types of monsoon winds: summer monsoon winds and winter monsoon winds. So let's start with summer monsoon winds. In summers, land near the equator of Earth heats up faster than the water in ocean. So the temperature of land is higher than that of water in oceans. To understand this line, first we have to understand about the map. So this is the map of country India. This you can see, this is the landmass of India, and there is a ocean present around the country. This is Arabian Sea and this is Bay of Bengal. This is southern part of India, this eastern part of India, and this northern part of India, and this is western part of India. So these are the directions for the India. And India is a peninsular country because it is it is surrounded by water from three sides. You can see here. So India is situated near the equator, and we can say above the equator. It is situated in the northern hemisphere of the earth. So in summers, India gets direct sun rays in the summers. Because of falling direct sun rays on the earth, so this land mass gets heated up quickly than the ocean. This heated quickly than ocean. Ocean is a water body, so water takes more time to heat up and cool down. As land gets heated, so the air present over the land, it also gets heated and rises upwards and create low pressure area on the land mass. So this causes the cooler winds blow in. Cooler airs, wind blow towards the land from ocean. Air blows from the ocean towards the land. So the winds blowing from the oceans towards the land in summers are called summer monsoon winds. Here you can see these lines, and actually these are lines that are showing about the air current. Air is blowing from the Arabian Sea to the land. So these monsoon winds carry a lot of water in the form of water vapor from the ocean and brings a large amount of rain on the land. In India, the land gets heated much more than the water in the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal during the summers. The monsoon winds which blow from Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal bring heavy rainfall in most parts of India. You must have experienced summer monsoon in the month of July, August and September. And during this season you must have get any holiday due to rainfall. The summer monsoon is very important to the farmers in our country because most of the annual rainfall occurs at this time and helps the annual rainfall and helps the growing crops. Many farmers in the India depend mainly on the rains for the irrigation of their crops. Have you observed one thing in the map, that air is blowing from the southwest direction? So because of this direction, air is blowing from the southwest direction, this monsoon winds also called southwest monsoon because it is coming from the southwest direction. You must have observed that winds are blowing in summer monsoon as blows in the sea breeze. In the sea breeze, winds blow from the sea towards the land. In summer monsoon, they are also blowing from the water bodies to landmass. So summer monsoon brings heavy rainfall in most part of the India. We can say almost country get rainfall in the summer monsoon. So we have discussed about the summer monsoon. I hope you have understood properly. Now we will discuss about the winter monsoon. In winters, land cools down much faster than the water in oceans. So the temperature of water in the sea is higher than that of land. In winters, land cools down much faster than the water. So in this situation, the air above the ocean gets heated and being a lighter, it rises up and create a low pressure area over the water body here and here. So the cool air from the land rushes towards the water body, or we can say Arabian Sea, to fill the vacant area that is created over the land, over the water body. So in winters, wind blows from the land towards the ocean. So the winds blowing from the land towards the ocean in winters are called winter monsoon winds. And you must have experienced that this happens in the month of January and February. As winter monsoon winds are coming from the direction of north and east, that's why they are also known as northeast monsoon. This monsoon does not cause any major rainfall. The winter monsoon picks up moisture as it blows over the Bay of Bengal. When it blows from the over the Bay of Bengal, it picks up moisture and brings rainfall to the coastal area of Tamil Nadu. Because it is having very little amount of moisture, that's why it causes only rainfall on this part of country. Winter monsoon winds almost remains dry, but they carry moisture when blow over the Bay of Bengal. So this part of country, Tamil Nadu, get very little amount of rainfall in the winter monsoon. So you have noticed that in winter monsoon winds blow from the land towards the ocean. So this is similar as the land breeze, which you have learned earlier. So this was the explanation about the winter monsoon. I hope you have understood both the topic properly. So we will meet in the next video with the new topic. Till then, be happy and bye bye.